Hello and welcome to Mindx Solutions, a number one software training institute in Bangalore, located at Marathalli. We specialize in full stack development Python, Java, data science, Power BI, SQL, manual testing, automation testing, Tableau, Snowflake, and MSBI. Let's learn Python in today's class. What is Python? Python is a programming language designed by Fido von Rossum. Now, Python is in trending because of its application in machine learning and artificial intelligence tools. So let's start learning Python. The topic what we are learning today is data types in Python. What are the basic data types in Python? We have numeric data types, that is integer, float, complex numbers, text data types like string, boolean type, that is true and false, sequence types like list and tuple. Let's learn it with coding. Python is a, here I'm assigning a variable value to 100. And if I want to check the data type of it, as we say, Python is a dynamic programming language where I need not specify what kind of data type it is. It will automatically know what kind of data type it is. So I'm printing type of value here and I'm running this Python program. So as you can see, it has given me this data type is of class integer. That is one type of numeric data type. I can even assign a float value to it. And now when I print type of value 1, it will automatically give me the data type it is. This one is giving class float as the data type of the assigned value. Now I'm assigning value to a complex number. It's okay. Now I'm giving okay, value is a keyword, so when I specify it as true and print the type of value 3, and when I'm running this Python program, I'm getting the value 3 type of data type of value 3 as boolean here. Let's take another example with string. Now, so I'm giving the text input as Mindx Solutions, and I'm checking the data type of it. So when I run this Python program, you can see the last print statement, that is Mindx Solutions. This data type is of string. So that's the beauty of Python. Let's come to sequence data types. What are the sequence data types in Python? Sequence data types are list and tuple. So we can even say these are advanced data types or data structures in Python. List and tuple. How can I initiate a list? List 1 is I'm assigning some characters here. A list can have any type of data type within this. So for example purpose, I'm using all 4 types of basic data types here. Here within the list, I have given a numeric integer data type, a boolean, a float, and a string. So I can print this list using print statement. Print list 1, and I have to run this. Now in my console, I have got the print of this list. And lists are, there are some special characteristics of list. Lists are ordered structures. It means they are like in a particular sequence order. So whatever we have assigned, they stay at the same position. Ordered structures, they are mutable. What is the meaning of mutable here? Mutable is like we can change, we can add, we can remove or reassign a character in a list. And they allow duplicates. Allow duplicates in the sense I can have another Mindx here. So that's totally fine with lists. They do allow duplicates. We can access any element of the list using uh, indexing. We can either add or remove or reassign an element of the list, like list 1 of 2 I'm reassigning to, list 1 of 2 I'm reassigning to some other value 45.6. That's totally fine. Next, let's learn tuples here. Tuples are ordered, immutable data types which allow duplicates. So when I say immutable, once I have assigned value to tuple, I cannot change them. I cannot reassign a character. I cannot add or remove anything from the tuple. Tuples do allow duplicates. So when we are storing some sensitive content, which we do not want anyone else to tamper, then we'll store the values in the form of tuple. For example, I'm initiating a tuple here, tuple 1, and I'm storing some my employee details here. Let's assign Ram as an employee name. Sorry, I'm assigning my employee details. Ram of age 34 and who's a full stack developer, and whose salary I'm assigning to 56,000. Okay, these are my employee personal details which I don't want anyone else to tamper. Then I'm storing them in the form of tuple. So when I give print tuple 1 and run the program, so I'm getting print of it. I cannot add, I cannot remove, or I cannot tamper. As I've reassigned a value in the list here, I cannot reassign any value in the tuple. So once assigned, they are like they say stay constant. So thank you guys. Do follow our page for more updates.